The strength of the muscles depends on the yang of liver, while the endurance depends on the blood and yin of the liver. People with liver yang excess are very strong and can perform activities that require great strength. In people in whom liver yin and blood are insufficient, the muscles tire easily. If blood and yin are adequate, then one can do heavy work for a long time without weakening or tiring the muscles. Liver yang is associated with muscle tension. The higher the yang in the liver, the higher is the tension. The yin of the liver, however, makes it possible for the muscle to relax. However, tense a person is, he or she can relax when they get home, have a meal, unwind, and go to bed. But if their yin is deficient, their yang is farther away from their yin. So even if the stress factors are removed, the person still feels they are in a yang dominant state. Okay? Now, yang tension. The first tower diagram shows that yin is at a normal state and yang is increasing. And later, yang goes down to a normal state. So in this condition, liver yang excess and stress can relax and feel better when not working. Only a short time is needed for an excess to return to balance. Liver yang excess, tension during work can relax when not working. Stress-related symptoms occur during work, as in Monday morning, 10 a.m., and it will improve immediately on resting. So, in this condition, the symptoms are headache, asthma, eczema, nervous urination, nervous diarrhea, and vomiting. Now, the second illustration, i- at first, yin is deficient and yang is increasing. And later, yin is still deficient and yang goes down to its normal state. So, liver yang excess and stress but cannot relax when they stop working because the liver yin is still deficient. A longer time is needed to build up the deficiency. Liver yin deficiency always tense, cannot relax, or needs many days away from work in order to relax. Stress-related symptoms occur at the end of the work, as in Friday afternoon, and need to the entire weekend or longer to improve. Now, under this condition, uh, symptoms are headache, asthma, eczema, nervous tics, tremor, nervous urination, or diarrhea. Okay? Now, generally, those with healthy liver yin are quite laid back, relaxed people. Their liver yang is well controlled by yin, and it is only in extreme situations that they feel any tension at all. But those with liver yang deficiency thrive or stress, work, and certain level of stress provide them with the yang they are missing in order to generate the yin or qi to move their energy flow. As long as their work keeps them active and happily occupied, it is therapeutic for them, but in a situation they find the work difficult or unfulfilling, this can create a block in their free flow of energy and cause much internal stress, as they have insufficient yang energy to move these blocks. They will internalize their stress because the yang is too low for them to be physically restless. They will look very calm through periods of stress, but will not feel calm. Their general muscle tone will be rather flaccid, but one part of their body will be very tensed. That is the area that suffers the stress and where the energy, blood, body fluid is stagnating. If it is the stomach, they could suffer from pain, hyperacidity, and ulcers. If it is the skin, they could have eczema. If it is the blood vessels, they have they may have high blood pressure or headaches or mental depression with suppressed aggression. Okay? Liver yin and yang deficiency. Here, the patient is always tense and stressed. Everything is too much for them, even if they do not have to do anything. These muscles are weak but tensed, with nervous tremor or tics. Their blood pressure can vary greatly between high and low, which makes it difficult to give them medication. Treatment for stress and tension. General points, liver 3, lung 7, and do 20. So liver yang excess. Sedate, gallbladder 38, indirect sedation of coupled yang organ. Spleen 6, descending technique. As liver yang always rises, this will help move it downwards. Some tranquilizing points, meditation or relaxation, and deep breathing. And the last is avoid alcohol and sour foods. In liver fire, same therapy as above. Instead of sedation of gallbladder 38, give liver 5 the low point. If necessary, add gallbladder 40 sedation, which is the yuan source point. Now, in liver yin deficiency, liver 1 own element point or liver 5 the loop connecting point. Tranquilizing points. Liver yin deficiency often goes together with kidney yin deficiency. If kidney yin is deficient, then substitute liver yin tonification with kidney 7. Then liver yin deficiency could also occur with blood deficiency symptoms. And in these cases, points for liver blood tonification should be given.